The black sicklebill, Epimachus fastosus, is a species of bird of paradise found in the mountainous regions of New Guinea. It's known for its distinctive and striking appearance. Here is a description of the black sicklebill. Size and appearance. The black sicklebill is a relatively large bird of paradise, with males measuring around 43 inches. They have iridescent black plumage with a long, curved, sickle-shaped bill, which is a characteristic feature of this species. Habitat. These birds inhabit the montane rainforests of New Guinea, particularly in the higher elevations of the mountains. Diet. The diet of the black sicklebill primarily consists of fruits, arthropods, and insects, which they forage for in the dense forest canopies. Display and courtship. During the breeding season, male black sicklebills perform elaborate courtship displays to attract females. These displays often involve impressive and synchronized aerial acrobatics. Conservation status. The black sicklebill, like many birds of paradise, faces threats from habitat loss due to deforestation and human activities. However, it is currently classified as a species of least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. The black sicklebill is an extraordinary and charismatic bird, known for its unique appearance and impressive courtship displays. It is an integral part of the biodiversity in the New Guinea region.